Hi, I'm Paul Cox. I'm Slooh's Community Manager, and I'm here to guide you through the huge variety of activities you can do with Slooh, whether that's taking your first image or maybe learning some advanced image processing techniques. But in this activity, we're going to guide you through all of the steps necessary to replicate the discovery of Pluto. Now you'll find all of those individual steps lower down on the page, but first let's remind ourselves of how the discovery story unfolded. Well, after only 3 years building his first telescope in 1926, at the age of 20, a farm boy named Clyde Tombaugh sent his drawings of Jupiter and Mars to the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. Now, expecting only to receive a helpful critique of his work, he was surprised to be offered a job at the observatory. In our dreams, I hear you say. Now, he worked there from 1929 to 1945, but it's the discovery he made during his first year there that has written his name into the history books. He'd been charged by the observatory director there to continue their search for the mysterious planet X, and it was thought to be responsible for some anomalies that had been measured in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. But it remained undiscovered. This mysterious planet X remained undiscovered for decades after that was first postulated. Now, the young astronomer, he spent his nights guiding Lowell's 13-inch telescope whilst exposing these photographic glass plates for hours at a time. Now, each morning he would process the plates before comparing each plate of the same area of the sky several nights before. He used a piece of equipment called the blink comparator, comparing two of the huge glass plates in detail through a magnifying lens and blinking each image in an attempt to identify any moving objects, in other words, planet X. He did actually discover quite a few asteroids in this process as well. But on the 18th of February 1930, nearly a year after he started his systematic search, he discovered a moving object between the photographic plates he'd taken on the 23rd and 29th of January 1930. He went to the office of the observatory director and exclaimed, "Dr. Slipher, I have found your planet X." What a great day at the office that must have been. And the rest, as they say, is history. Clyde Tombaugh had discovered the ninth planet of our solar system. News of the discovery spread around the globe, aptly named after the ruler of the cold and dark underworld by an 11-year-old English schoolgirl. Pluto's first two letters also honoured the observatory's long-since-dead founder, Percival Lowell. And now, 85 years after its discovery, 18 years after the death of its discoverer, Clyde Tombaugh, and a mere 9 years after Pluto's demotion from a planet to dwarf planet, we're finally destined to explore this tiny world, only a sixth of the mass of Earth's moon, together with its own retinue of tiny moons in unprecedented detail. And it's NASA's Pluto Kuiper Belt mission, New Horizons. It was launched in 2006. It used this gravity assist slingshot maneuver around the gas giant in 2007 and is due to reach Pluto in July 2015 before speeding on to study other objects in the Kuiper Belt. What better way, though, to mark this incredible story of Pluto's discovery and future exploration than to replicate the discovery methods used by Clyde Tombaugh at the Lowell Observatory, but by using Slooh's modern scientific CCD cameras and telescopes. And in this activity, we're going to guide you through all the stages necessary, from scheduling your Pluto missions, aligning your images, before blink comparing them just as Tombaugh did, in order to spot the tiny white dot of this tiny world moving against the rich backdrop of the Milky Way's star fields. Just follow the steps on the Discovering Pluto activity page, and watch the instructional videos as well. Shout if you need any help, and please share your results with other members in the clubhouse. That's all for now. Have fun. I hope you enjoy this activity. Goodbye for now.